Sunlight on a far off shore, waves roll, dreams of before. Sand between my eager toes, adventure calls where wind blows. Oh yeah, mountains rise grand and tall, trees stand straight, green and all. Path went through the wild land, I start my quest hand in hand. Time unfolds as I roam free, new sights wait a mystery. Far from home yet at ease, world's my stage, a wild spree. Hey ho, travel tales, a bright show, new places, my heart does glow. Each step a story sown, in this trip I'm on my own. Travel dreams, a soft refrain, grand scenes in my domain. Dawn to dusk I won't wane, this travel song, my soul's chain. Yeah, city lights all twinkling,